Hi friends, welcome to Network Jungle. Today we will configure the DHCP on a router to assign IP address automatically. Let's see the configuration. Here I will use the top-down approach for this scenario. One router, one switch, and end devices like PC, laptop, and server. So if the device is different, we need to connect the straight through cable. Host Ethernet, laptop. Here we have to configure the gigabit Ethernet to opposite side gigabit Ethernet. Why we need to use the DHCP instead of static IP address configuration? Because manual configuration is IP address of more than 100 machines is not possible. That's the reason we go to the DHCP method to reduce the manpower. So go to the CLI mode. Algorithm preference. By default, Cisco router is the router name. So this is the user mode. We go to the privilege mode by entering the command enable. After that, you go to the global configuration mode. First, we need to modify the host name of the router. Next, we need to secure our router. So username Network Jungle, password Cisco 123. Here jungle. Yes. Next we need to configure the remote access for this router. Login local. You can access via telnet port. Then console access also. Here you can see the config scenario. Hostname Network Jungle, then password is usable. So we need to encrypt the password by giving the command service password encryption. Next you have to save the configuration, do WR. Next we can configure the IP address for the port number G0/0, IP address 192.168.10.1 followed by submask. Description. Then no showdown command. By the giving this command to turn on the router. Here you can see. Yeah. Now we see the DHCP configuration for the scenario. IP DHCP port network jungle, we can give any name. Then network 192.168.10.0. So network address is the .0 followed by submask. Default gateway is the default router is the IP address of the router interface. All the traffic going via router interface, going or exit, you can name it. Then DNS server. So this is the configuration for configuring the DHCP pool in the router. Now I say the configuration. You can see the DHCP pool, IP DHCP pool network jungle. This is the network address. Then default router 192.168.10.1. Then DNS server is the Google DNS server. As well as we have to exclude some of the IP range in the DHCP pool. For excluding some IP range, exclude that range 192.168.10.1 to 192.168.10.100. So you can exclude that address from 10.1 to 10.100. You can see there. Here is the static. You can click. IP address will be automatically assigned. So 10.101 submask 10.1. Then this is the Google DNS server. You can verify the IP address in command prompt also. IP configuration slash all is working for real machine. 10.1.1, then 2.2.0, then default bit is the 192.10.1. Like this, go to the laptop. Go to the IP configuration and DHCP. This is the DHCP packet. So it can operate at the layer 7. That is the application layer. DHCP packet server. So it does not about the server IP, then client IP. Client IP is the laptop IP address. Server IP is the router IP address. You can see the layer 2. It is the broadcast address. Then it does not show does not have the IP address of the source IP. So 0.0.0. Then destination IP address is the broadcast IP address. It can be DHCP protocol operator as 68, 67. 68 is the DHCP client, 67 is the DHCP server. It has the DORA concept. First one, you can see the DHCP client constructed discover packet and sent it out. Yeah, now you can play the scenario. Now you can see the concept 10.102, 258.258.0, 192, 168.10.1, the boldness. Likewise, so server IP is the 10.103. You can configure the dynamic host configuration router, and you can assign the IP address automatically in the client machines. That is the PC, server, and laptop. It can reduce the manpower. Now we can verify the IP address, some commands. So IP DHCP binding. You can see the IP address, that is the hardware address is the physical address, type is the automatic. 10.101 is the PC, 102 is the laptop, 103 is the server. In 192.168.10. So 10.1 is the router IP address, then 102 is the laptop IP address, 103 is the server IP address. For taking the router via telnet, you can access now I have accessed the router in the PC via telnet port 23. Network statics. It shows the active connection. 10.101 is the PC, 101 is the router. I can access the router in PC via telnet port 23. I hope you can understand the DHCP scenario for this configuration. Next we will meet on VLAN configuration. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you.